I am not in prison, at least not yet. People, this is not a joke, but I was advised by my lawyer that I am currently facing 15 to 25 years for the dumbest charge ever. While my house get broken at 3 times already and the summer just drop, the system a try hold me, or somebody a try hold me, and real criminals out there. People, that video they want to see was not supposed to drop as yet. Normally when I go court, after I leave court, me reschedule that video to drop at the next court date, a date after the next court date. But the fact that the hurricane forward, basically the same day, the Wednesday, from my court date, the court date, I was actually advised by my lawyer, big up Scott James Law Firm, that the court date was put off, but I simply did not remember to reschedule the video, so the video ended up drop, and I did not remember anything about this video because I did this video about not the last court date, I think the court date before that court date. I did this video because I felt like this video was needed to be done. But the only reason why this video got put out is because the light went away. I had no light and I had no access to the internet or any electricity where I live. So that's the reason why that video was out. I was unaware of this video even being out. Yesterday was when I even realized that this video was out, and this was actually out. Like when me find out, like the police, me literally go to the police station, go report, and the police tell me, say somebody call, I ask if me they are prison. I say if me they are prison. Then I say wait, prison? Prison. Oh, me don't know say me they are prison. I say shit, me they put out of it. Then me remember, say the video schedule, and me I say shit, but me still never have the light. So I today now, before me can even come and say anything. So people, when they are prison, at least not yet, because this is an ongoing court case, and based upon what the lawyer tell me, it seems very serious. Very serious. Based upon the set of laws them where the Andrew them change up. More I know how none of Andrew EU friend them now give no aid for help Jamaica. Or them a help, but the money just not help, because a large majority of Jamaica need light right now. Why the government don't want to pump water to the people, I mean rather bring water in a water truck? Back in a age time business. I know a lot of people probably say, what me I go court for, when me get locked up for all of this, but in order for me tell you that, I have to tell you how all of this start. Basically, how this start, I go shoot a video, I come from the video shoot, boom, I reach in a one police jeep, bam, I reach upper station, boom, spend 1 month in a jail, bam, come out, then bam, court get changed, I go back in a jail, go spend the next day in a jail, come out again, bam, and then boom, now I make the video. Because I feel like I will go to prison next time, so that is why I make that video. So the people then just see me stop post and don't know what I go on. See me, don't be surprised if you don't get up a man and I'm actually there prison for real. Yeah, but it's a serious thing still, you see me? Yeah man, I know some people are going to say a stunt, but in a business where them want to say, me not tell lie on myself. You get me I say? Some people are going to say a stunt this and this, because I literally don't know what I go on, you know. I walk and I see people all heal me and I say, why is one heal me? You see me? Afterwards, I realize now, not even one, somebody not even say, brother, how you say they are prison or not? But then probably I say, oh, this is a youth a lie, no Ras. You see me? This is a youth a lie, and saying they are prison. And in there, so what? But me don't even know what is going on. I don't like my phone dead from how long now. You see me? From the hurricane, the day after the hurricane, my phone dead. But people, don't make a little mishap, getting distracted. Yeah, me have a court date. Yeah, me have to report to the police station every single day. Yeah, but don't make that distract you. We still have to do what we have to do. And what we have to do is get the country under good governance.
Bloggers, don't make channel lose off around you know. You see the blogger where Andrew Holness sent for and detain, we need every blogger to come on the social media and make Andrew Holness free up the blogger. Free speech I do it. When I work with no hate speech. Free speech. Free up the blogger. Because we can't make Andrew Holness come make we afraid of him. Him afraid of we. Who is Andrew Holness? the Prime Minister of Jamaica. Who put him in that position? The same people at Jamaica. Who you want to put in prison? The same people that will put him in power. The same people that will put him in power. Him see him once say, you know, when him look power, you know, to make your voice be heard of the uncaring government. What you want to use a caring government? The Jamaican people them are call you out. Free up the bumbleclot blogger. Free up the blogger. Because now coward nobody down here, so you think none of you can send no police channel to come apologize and talk and say we don't want channel to say. That not go so with channel. Free up the bumbleclot blogger, youth. And bloggers on the need to support the youth. On the need to come out and support the youth. We are all bloggers and we are doing the same thing. We say we are fight for the country, so we have to fight for one another bloggers too.
Blessed love to all. I'm a revolutionist and freedom fighter. Yard and a brother throughout the diaspora. Big up on a nice and decent self. Big up yourself, talk your mind, not talk for the press. Big up yourself. What I am saying to the people in the diaspora, when you don't send no money to the Jamaica Labour Party government, we hand out to nobody, you see, in this time, in the relief, as help. When you find some other way and send it, because Andrew Holness will not give it to the people. You see me, because he want the people to suffer because they vote against him in the parish council. And I want to say something in Rasta. Because I tell you, you know, my ancestors them not leave I out, you know. Yeah. And each and every night they visit I and we all are reasoning. I want to know now, Rasta. How can a free man, seen, work with a constitutional law to live by the slave master, that was written by the slave master? You tell me, if we are a free people, because them tell me, you know, them said they have fight, blood, sweat and tears to make their great-great-grandchildren a free person in this land of Jamaica and a shareholder in the corporation of Jamaica. That means we want land and we want other business here. We the poor people, not the rich, elite them, 10 family them, East and the whole of them that won Jamaica and still a pressure the people them after 100 years. How can we sit back and let these slave masters write a constitutional law that we must live by? Then that just assures we automatically that we wasn't a free person. We are still a slave. We were tricked by Bustamante. You see me? And Senaman Manley too. Because they was the one who go and made the agreement, you see me, of independent. We should not have a constitutional written by the slave master. It should be written by the people of Jamaica. The whole of us should come together and look and the living condition, you know, see me, the health condition, the school, the land and everything, and come to agreement, and that constitution is written. Right? Andrew Holness now want to bring we back in slave, but it will be judgment in